Operation of the DAC Universal. With the standard lid of the DAC Universal, you can reprocess rotating instruments hygienically. How is this done? It couldn't be simpler. The instruments are first loaded onto the respective adapters. Did you hear a soft click upon loading? This means the instruments are securely in place. In any case, you should check this by gently pulling at them. Important, the instrument heads should face the center column. A Class 5 chemical indicator is clamped to the center column of the lid. Next, push the lid into the holder as far as it will go. The instrument heads face downward and must not touch the chamber. Check that you have selected the correct program. If not, this can easily be changed in the sub-menu. If the standard lid is not yet selected, do this by using the up or down button. By clicking on the Start-Stop button and then pressing the safety ring, the selected program is started and the lid closes. Now you have time to take care of other tasks, since the DAC Universal performs the reprocessing cycle completely automatically. When the lid moves halfway out of the chamber, the cycle is complete. Great! The instruments have now been sterilized. To open the lid completely, simply press briefly on the down button. The lid can now be removed. Caution, hot. Check the result. Are all the instruments still attached to the lid correctly? Have they been optimally cleaned? If the control bar of the chemical indicator displays Accept, everything is okay. Now check the protocol. This batch can be released once all the process parameters are okay. Once the instruments have cooled down slightly, they can be removed from the lid. They are now ready for your next treatment. The flex lid is used to clean and thermally disinfect ultrasonic handpieces and tips, as well as nozzles for the multifunction syringe. Make sure that the tips are attached straight, otherwise they could be bent during reprocessing. Check that all instruments are securely in position. A Class 5 chemical indicator is also clamped to the center column of the flex lid. Then push the lid as far as it will go into the holder. The instrument should point downward. Next, select the flex lid. After clicking on the Start-Stop button, selection of the flex lid must be confirmed by pressing the down button. By subsequently pressing the safety ring, the cycle is started and the lid closes.